Are you tired of tangles, dryness, or breakage? This African-inspired herbal shampoo and detangler melts, knots, and strengthens your hair strands, all from natural ingredients. Hey Afro hair lovers, welcome back to Afro Hair by Adele. If you're new here, I am Adele and I share natural hairstyles, hair care tips and DIYs rooted in African traditions. Today's video is special. We're making a potent herbal shampoo and detangler using cassava, hibiscus, onions and okra. So let's get started. Here are some key benefits of these herbs. Cassava is rich in saponins, starches, vitamin C, zinc, and iron. Saponins are natural cleansing agents that lift dirt from our scalp and hair without stripping them of natural oils. Starches in cassava facilitate moisturizing as they give a slippery feel that aids in detangling. Zinc and iron nourish the scalp, a positive factor for healthy hair growth. Okra largely contains mucilage, which facilitates detangling and moisture retention, leaving the hair soft, smooth, and manageable. Okra also contains vitamin A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium, which can help nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Hibiscus is rich in alpha-hydroxy acids that gently exfoliate the scalp, help regulate the scalp's natural pH, remove product buildups, and other impurities. Hibiscus is packed with antioxidants which shield hair follicles from environmental stressors, reducing the risk of premature graying and preserving the hair's natural shine and color. Onion is full of sulfur compounds, which boost collagen production and blood circulation to the scalp, promoting hair strength and growth. Sulfur also helps in the formation of keratin, making hair less prone to breakage. Onion also contains antioxidants, which protect follicles from oxidative damage. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of onion help fight scalp issues like dandruff and other infections. I followed this shampoo with the DIY moisturizing hair mask, which will come up in subsequent videos. If this recipe speaks to your roots and your health needs, go ahead and give it a try. Let me know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more powerful Afro hair remedies.